Hey CB Lightning, this is Max Seibald. Played at Cornell University, current member of your Philadelphia Wings, one of the Denver Outlaws, and Team USA. I've heard that this weekend is the beginning of your 2011 season, and I just want to take the time to wish you all good luck. Work hard and have fun. Don't forget to work just as hard in the classroom as you do on the field, and listen to your teachers just as much as you do to your coaches. Trust me, it'll pay off. On a closing note, if any of you are around this summer and would like to attend my overnight camp in PA, please visit MaximumLacrosseCamps.com for more information. Hope to see you there. Good luck!